guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be going to Pitts Park and a good old spillway that I know of where my grandparents live. So once we get down there, hopefully we can catch some catfish, bass, well, gonna be small bass, but creek chubs and brim. So once we get down there, I'll get set up and I'll show you what I'm using. So let's get to it. Today I'm going to be using a small trout magnet hook with a float about, I'd say 2 feet off the bottom, and we'll probably change that, but 2-pound test like usual. Today we're going to be using night crawlers, but I'll show you in a second how I'm going to be fishing this. I'm just going to let it drift down with the current and see if we can't pick up a fish. And this rain's just stopped about 3 days ago and this water's perfect, so I'm feeling good about today. All right, guys, that's what I'm gonna be doing. See how I got my worm? It was a little bit further up, but I'm gonna do this real quick. I like to have my worm have a little dangle right there. Let's give it a little bit more action. Well, first we're just gonna cast right here, see if there's any here. Got a good feeling. And if we don't get one on the float, we'll switch up to the bottom and just let it drag the bottom. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do that. 12:26. I wish I could catch some here because I ain't got much time. And I got some footage of me at the lake. I went out one day and caught 7 fish. I didn't bring my GoPro or nothing. I was just gonna figure out where they were, and then the next day I was gonna try to catch some, but that didn't happen. So we're here at Pitts Park trying to catch some fish. Oh, there's one. He hit it on the way in. Small brim. It's micro fishing right now, but I'm gonna be going to Lake X like I mentioned, and maybe can catch some spawning bass, or I don't think they'll be spawning, but nice gill. See if we can't catch any more. Just using this on the bottom, small hook, worms. Can't get any simpler than this. It's fun, catch a lot of fish. All right, guys, I got me that same small hook that I used down at Pitts Park. I'm gonna give you a little bit more context on when I was at Pitts Park. My GoPro died while I was down there, and I was on lunch break for work, and I just wanted to go fishing. And I caught 5. I don't know how many will show, but we're down at the spillway now, and I'm hoping we can catch some, and I'm gonna change up methods here. What I'm gonna do in this small spillway, it's really shallow and there's a lot of rocks and a lot of sticks down there. But usually there's a lot of fish, so I'm gonna go about 12 inches, so about a foot from the float to the hook. And that's how I catch them usually. Just a little bitty piece of worm works really well down here. So we'll get all tied up and ready to go, and hopefully I can show y'all some fish. All right, let's get down here and not fall. Just targeting the shore and where the current kind of stops, like a little eddy in there, or jetty, however you want to call it. Small one. There we go. Oh, that's a nice creek chub. That is a nice creek chub. Oh, about fell. I forgot about chub in here. Yeah. Biggest one I've probably caught down here is about a pound. But that right there, folks. Oh, goodness gracious, they are slimy little things. But oh yeah. Nice little chub. They get way bigger in here, and there's some catfish too. So see if we can't catch any more. Oh gosh. Oh goodness gracious. And he went through the hole. All right. See if we can't get another one. I'm excited. This is good progress from where we were, because I was not catching any big fish. Which that's not that big, but for a chub down here, it's a decent size. Sorry if it's loud and y'all can't hear me. It's that pop over there. It generates a lot of oxygen and keeps these fish really healthy. There we go. Oh, it's, nope, not a baby catfish, thought it was. Another chub, small one. I think there's different varieties in here. I don't know what type of species, like chub species there are. There's, I think, a couple, but I always call this a creek chub. Nope. Catch them on the same piece of bait though. That thing's tough. Tighten up the drag. I don't think we're gonna catch a monster out here. There we go. Another decent chub. Nothing like being back in the woods and catching pretty good sized creek chub. His horns are coming in, if you can't see that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, nice creek chub. I want to get a catfish. I want to sit down and fish for a little bit. Call her a wrap after I catch a few more. I really like this type of fishing. Me and my cousin Tanner, we used to come down here all the time when we were little and just destroy the fish. I mean, we would catch probably each day 30 at a time, 40 or 50. It was insane. But since this rain is moved in, it kind of ruined all the fishing down here. But I'd say in a couple days they'll be back. I'm getting a bite right now. I have to go a little deeper. It's hard to say how deep this is. I've never really been in it. Well, that's one way to break 2 pound test, I guess. There we go. Another creek chub. Another creek chub. Hey, something different. So I guess this is a sunfish. Oh, Oh god, that spine got me. I am whipping it over here. God almighty. What a nice, beautiful sunfish. Get him back. If I catch a catfish, we'll probably be done for the day. I'm probably gonna have to speak up louder and talk to the camera. This water's pretty loud. Oh, that's a good one. Yes. That is a good chub. Oh, now. If I could lift this one. Woo. Man, that's a nice chub. I know my hands are dirty. Freaking worms for you. See them horns? Oh man, I need to clean off the camera. Got a nice chub. Look at that. Decent one. Man, that's a stocky chub. Alright. We can get us a catfish. That'll be good. I just broke my whole rig. I think we'll call that a day, guys. That was pretty fun. I really enjoy fishing these type of streams and creeks and spillways. It's really fun just to catch different species now and again instead of just bass. Really glad that y'all tuned in for this fishing adventure, and just leave down in the comments what y'all like next. And we're at 69 subscribers. That's pretty good. We're about to hit 70 subscribers, and I'm really hoping we'll hit that soon. And I might do a little bit something special with 100 subscribers. So keep on subscribing, keep on liking. It really motivates me to make more content and better content for y'all. And I really am enjoying this YouTube channel, but enough blabbering. This weekend, like I said, we're going to be going to the lake, or Lake X, and catching some big bass, I'm hoping, and a lot of crappie and a lot of perch. Up there, the water temp is going to be about perfect for spawn. It's not time for spawning, but they'll be moved up shallow. I'm pretty sure if they're not, we'll find them out deep on the, well, we won't be using my boat, but I know where they're at deep, because I've fished that place a lot. So, without further ado, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next fishing adventure.